I see a cat. She has a pen. He is a boy. I want a book. She buys a toy. He drives a car. I eat a mango. She drinks a juice. He meets a friend. I see a dog. She wears a hat. He has a bag. I take a bus. She finds a key. He needs a chair. I read a story. She draws a picture. He uses a phone. I buy a cake. She opens a window. Unused 20 sentences. I see an apple. He eats an egg. She has an orange. I buy an ice cream. He wants an eraser. She takes an umbrella. I meet an old man. He sees an owl. She finds an idea. I drink an orange juice. He is an actor. She is an artist. I see an insect. He writes an essay. She eats an onion. I need an answer. He buys an eggplant. She sees an eagle. I want an invitation. He gets an award. At use 20 sentences. I am at home. She is at school. He is at the park. I sit at the desk. She stands at the door. He works at the shop. I am at the bus stop. She is at the station. He is at the hospital. I am at the market. She stays at the hotel. He is at the office. I arrive at night. She comes at noon. He leaves at 5. I look at the board. She smiles at me. He shouts at them. I play at the ground. She reads at the table. Unused 20 sentences. The book is on the table. The cat is on the roof. He sits on the chair. I see a box on the bed. She puts a pen on the desk. The clock is on the wall. The bag is on the floor. I wear a ring on my finger. The picture is on the page. He stands on the road. The bird is on the tree. The dog sleeps on the mat. She puts a glass on the shelf. I sit on the bench. The shoes are on the rack. He keeps money on the table. The ball is on the ground. I walk on the bridge. The hat is on the head. She writes on the paper. The use 20 sentences. The sun is hot. The moon is bright. The stars shine. The boy is happy. The girl is tall. The dog runs fast. The cat drinks milk. The bird flies high. The car is red. The bus is late. The teacher is kind. The child is small. The house is big. The park is clean. The shop is open. The train is fast. The book is new. The flower is red. The apple is sweet. The baby is cute.